Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel Aditya's Creation, and today's video is Christmas inspired. Today's video is Christmas gift DIY easy last minute ideas. Make sure you watch it till the very end. First of all, here I have took a transparent plastic box. You can also take a transparent plastic bottle or anything you wish, but make sure it should be plastic and make sure it should be transparent. Also, after that you have to take white acrylic paint and paint it at all the sides and also at the top and the bottom. And this is so easy that it can be made in only 1 minute. Just you have to paint the transparent box, and the time is basically about the paint drying. And after that you can make simple designs on that with red, black and blue brush pen, because you can choose any other color also, but these three will be looking really nice on this white background. And also here I am really inspired by Harry Potter, so I have made Deathly Hallows sign and Scar sign and Dementors and Marauders map sign and different Harry Potter doodles. You can make according to your choice. And at the end you have to just put the electric tea light candle inside it and it will shine brightly. So, our second DIY is a little bit tricky, but it will be made if you have a little practice in it. You have to just take a small clock and remove its all part, and after that, you have to take the measure of the clock, and you have to take the measure of the inside part of the clock. And as you can see, I have taken a piece of paper and I have done a small hole in it to be fitted in this clock. So, what I did, I just painted Ravenclaw banner type of thing, because I'm a fan of Harry Potter, so I thought that it should be like Harry Potter style. But if you wish, you can also paint some Christmas thing on that paper and stick to that. As here you can see that I have painted this paper in Ravenclaw colors, and after that I have also removed the hands of the clock, and then I have pasted it into that with help of some duct tape and double side tape, and then you have to simply insert the hands again. But once it made, it will look really beautiful, as you can see in that. You may have made many cards, but this is a very special card because it's not a normal card, it's an activity card. You can give it to your small siblings or for your friends that are just age group of like 6 to 10. They can do the activity inside the card and they'll be really happy. Then to make this activity card, you have to take a normal A4 sheet and fold it into half, and then you have to make a normal Christmas drawing at the first page, or you can say the Christmas greeting at the first page. Here, as you can see, I have made a simple Christmas drawing at the front, and then what you have to do, you have to print out two figures of Christmas related things, or also if you don't have printer, you can draw that and you can give title to color it. So here, as you can see, I have printed out two silly houties, because the ones for those who I am making the card, they are siblings. So I have printed out two figures, so I will cut them and paste it at the both pieces. So here, as you can see, my activity card is ready. After that I will label it with their names. I'm not labeling it because of some privacy issues, but for the ones who are making the card, you have to label their name. But one mistake here I have done, that I have used PVA glue. You have to not use PVA glue, you have to use simple glue stick. And because of using PVA glue, you can see there are patches on my A4 sheet, because A4 sheet is really fragile type of thing, and PVA glue is definitely not made for that. So make sure you don't do that mistake. Here, as you can see, our last DIY is easy photo frame idea. This is not my idea, but this is inspired by another channel from which I'm really inspired. They make really easy and effective DIYs. So for this, you have to simply take a cardboard sheet and a black and white photo of you and your friend or your sibling or your any kind of relative, and after that you have to stick the photo with the cardboard, and after that you have to take a plastic sheet and cover the photo with plastic sheet, and at the sides you have to take normal black duct tape, and at the behind of the cardboard sheet you can stick some double side tape so it can be easily stick on the wall also, and your easy photo frame is ready. I will also give the link of that video in my description box, so don't forget to check it out. For extra decor, you can also add some beads, or you can give title, like here I have given memories. And this photo frame is a little bit old because I have made it in last Christmas, and as you can see the black duct tape are really hitter and they are not good as it was as new. So these were easy Christmas gift DIY video. I hope you liked them. If yes, then please hit the like button. Also subscribe to my channel because I create different types of videos like art and craft videos and tips and tricks videos and how-to videos every Tuesday. And I meet you in my next video. Till that time, take care and bye bye.